So these frets are now done, and I think I had indicated to the customer when he was here that we're down to 30 thou. So next time around, they're coming out. We'll do a complete refret. So that was the last fret dress that we're going to get out of this one. Pachelbel's Canon on the guitar. So Joe's Tele is done, and we needed to adjust those saddles. The curvature wasn't quite right. It had kind of moved around since I'd worked on it. I guess it was about a year ago. As you saw earlier in the video, definitely a lot more involved in doing a maple neck fret dress. Spend almost as much time masking off the whole guitar than I do doing the actual fret dress, because the maple easily smudges and gets all black and dirty. You do have to use a low tack tape, otherwise you'll pull the finish off when you remove the tape. This finish is all intact, didn't take any flakes or chips off. More importantly, it plays perfectly in tune now.